Hi, I'm John Vickers. Today I'm going to talk to you about hamstring pulls. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about another cause of what creates hamstring pulls. This one will be a part of your body that you probably won't even think that can create a hamstring pull, but it does. And that's going to be your foot. And the reason for that is that your foot, one of the major motions that it needs to do when you're moving is to be able to dorsiflex, or move towards your head. And when it does that, then what will happen is that your knee will bend, your hip will bend, your trunk will rotate into a certain position, and also be able to side bend. So when you're limited in your dorsiflexion, one of the big things that happens is that your leg does not rotate internally as well due to the way one joint affects the other. So the joint at your ankle will affect the joint at your knee, which will affect the joint at your hip, and so forth up the chain. So when you can't dorsiflex the way you need to, your leg is automatically going to be straighter at the knee, and it's going to want to stay straight at the hip more so. But what really should happen is that when this dorsiflexes, then your knee should bend a little bit more, your leg should rotate in, and you should get a little bit more bend at the hip. So when you can't dorsiflex and you can't get this internal rotation as much as you need in specific instances, then your medial hamstrings are going to try and kick in and help, because the middle hamstrings can help rotate your femur in. And so because of the lack of dorsiflexion that you're getting, then these guys will try and kick in, and based on what you're doing, then that can create a pull in your hamstring. So any sport that's a lateral sport that you're moving side to side, say tennis, or even with sprinting, there are just so many ways that it can happen, and it does. So this is another part of the body that has to be looked at, and it definitely does cause a pulled hamstring. So now I've talked about a number of causes of pulled hamstrings. Next thing, I'm going to talk about different things that you could do to help alleviate the pull and treat it and prevent it.